Hello, my friends. Today I am with one of the
Championship.
and we are going to Sahara Center. And what happened mostly is that whenever she is with me, she switches on the AC. So today I'm with the most famous Dubai YouTuber Champion Chick, and you can see that now we are on our way and going towards Sahara Center. Today I requested Champion Chick to come with me because I wanted to record one video with her. She has a lot of subscribers on YouTube and mostly are from North Americas. So I wanted to have one video with her. You can see right now we are on the road now.
Yeah.
And we have to wait because when we have to merge on the main road, then you have to wait and then see if it's empty and then you can merge. So now you will see that we are going on the roundabout. This is called the Al Nahda roundabout.
And there's another park
Yeah,
on your right side.
Okay, so you can see.
And here's a crossing line.
Yeah.
And see, stop here.
So we'll be going on this side, left side.
Lulu.
And there's a bus
Lulu
also.
Hypermarket on your left. And a bus on your side that is called Remy Rosie Hotel bus.
Uh-huh.
That takes you to Remy Rose Hotel. Yeah, it takes you to that.
Okay. So we'll be going on the left again. So it's a roundabout that is the main roundabout of Al Nahda Park, and if you have to exit anywhere, like you have to go to Dubai or you have to go towards different roads that lead towards Sharjah, then you have to take this roundabout. So now we crossed. Now we will be going on the bridge on the right. So Champion Chick will be telling you more about this place because she's a pro in this area.
Yeah, I know everything here. I went him here I think 20 times.
20 times or 20 million times?
Yeah, 20 million, 100 times.
Okay, so Champion Chick is right now with me, and we are going
To Sahara Center.
yeah, on the bridge, yes.
Yeah, on the bridge is
And she has made some videos on Sahara Center, so you can check her channel also and see the videos that she has made. And there are a lot of other videos that.
And like and subscribe, please.
And I'll share the link of our channel in the description, so you can like and subscribe our channel. If you want to know more about Dubai and Sharjah and different museums and civilizations and all that, airports. So she have made a lot of videos, educational videos.
Yeah, and now I'm gonna go to one more museum that is telling about the planes in the past also.
Yeah.
I went to Islamic Civilization Museum. Now I'm going to Airport Museum.
Right.
That before it was an airport, but now it's a museum.
Right.
Year 2200 it became a museum.
Year 2000, she wanted to say that it became a museum. It was established in, I think, in 1932. That time, it was the first airport in UAE. That was in Sharjah. So for her educational purposes, she wanted to visit that also.
And tell about all the things and tell about to you because I want to tell everything that I learned from every museum I go. I want to
so she want to share it with all her subscribers and people who want to learn about UAE, especially the children and their parents also. So she wanted to share that with them also. So that's why she is sharing. She likes to share stuff, and you can visit and then see what type of videos she has uploaded. And she likes animals also, as pet animals, and a lot of animal birds and places that she visit and all that. So that can be seen her on her channel. And so we already reached here. This is the back side of Sahara Center, and we have reached over here. So we will park a car over here, and then we'll see how we can go. So till that point, we'll take a leave, and then once we come back, then
Yeah, and then we'll show you something. Okay?
right. So there's a car that want to go, and
You-
very dangerous
You go.
driving he's doing. He's trying to go with the girl, and then on top of it, he's not stopping the car. So anyhow, we'll park it outside here because we have to hand over some stuff, and then we'll be coming back. So till then,
Yeah.
have a good day, take care, and wish us best of luck. And please message anything that you would like to, see on her channel. And
Just comment down below that which thing you want to see from me next,
Mhm.
and then I will visit that place
Mhm.
and tell you all about it in my way.
okay, very nice. Thank you for your time, Champion Chick. I'm very grateful to you that you have taken time out of your busy schedule and
Yeah.
came here and recorded this video. So we'll be uploading it on my channel, but I'll try to share a copy on your channel also, so that we can both benefit from it. Thank you very much. Take care. Have a good day. And you can see the buildings in front of us. Take care. Bye bye.